open heart surgery. This is pretty well packaged.
We received our order today for my new Yamaha FZ6 parts. It was missing a foot peg and the windscreen needed replaced. The previous owner had tried to remove a sticker with some kind of harsh chemical. And it also has some minor scratches on the engine casing from being dropped before, so we picked up some engine bars for it.
What bolt are they sacrificing on this side? So it is gonna, or is it the bottom one? Oh, that's here. Yeah, I really miss having side cases.
You can see where the previous owner had dropped it before and scratched the engine casing. And these bars are pretty happy with them. They look good and should protect it really.
I would have put my cases on even on the deal.